Hey, it's Tuesday. Sorry for any background noise or ever had a helicopter going over me and things like that. It's Tuesday morning. We're getting ready to grind. Before I pull out, I examine my wheel. I want to show you. We've got 1 week of grinding, and we got about 18 hours on this wheel so far. This is the New Revolution. All right. My side cutters are very sharp still, very sharp. Your leads, that's where I'm showing my wear. All right, I hit a little bit of concrete on one, and but nothing very bad, just a little bit of rounding. Okay, now I went to a farm show about a year ago, and I bought this diamond grinding wheel, cutting and grinding, and it's made by Bad Dog Tools. The reason why I bought it, it's 4.5 inch. It's the heavy duty HD number 2. Well, the reason why I bought it, it was $100, but it has a lifetime warranty, to where they said, hey, use it every year you see us at the farm show, or you mail it back in and it's original packaging, and we just give you a new one. So I figured, what could I beat? I got my shop. Well, I'll try it out. I haven't tried it out all year, so I'm going to use it on here. We'll test. I'm going to see, it's just a little rounded here. I'm going to test it out here. It's going to be very hard for me to do it showing you one-handed, so let me shut this off. I'll touch it up and see what happens. All right, we're back. There it is, lightly touched up, sharp. I could clean my fingernail off with it, so I know it'll perform better today. But I will tell you something about this steel. I don't know if I can do it one-handed, but let me see. It does not produce a lot of torque. It can be as aggressive as you want, or as light as you want. I didn't get onto any of this. It's very controlled. I like it. If you look at this diamond wheel here, the very tips of it, there's diamonds there, rough diamonds on here. There's even diamonds on this edge here. All right. So I'm happy with it. I'm going to touch these up real quick, start my day. And just this little tidbit for anybody with New Revolution wheel or Sandvics. I know it'll work on them. I don't know about green teeth yet, and that's something else we'll try out in the near future. Well, anyway, so 4.5 inch grinder, that 4.5 inch wheel, and once again, let me see what the name of the company. If I find a link on the internet, I'll put it in the description. And yes, it says they have a website, baddogtools.com, and they're from Bristol, Rhode Island. So there you go. Here's another picture of the package. All right, so guys, I just want to tell you thank you very much. And by the way, I lost all those videos from the show. They called me yesterday and told me sorry, they couldn't recover anything off the phone. But so we start fresh and new. Anyway, God bless. Just a short little video, and hang around just for a little bit. When I get home, I'll clean up. I'll talk to you about something else. Thanks. Hey, it's the Sunday before Thanksgiving, and hopefully Popeye will be done by the next few days. I'll try to finish today. We got to redo the background, redo this, and a couple of little points. Just a little final details on it. It takes a while to do the big coverings. They have to dry, have to coat it multiple times. Then after it's all done, I'll put a thick resin on top of it to protect it, So anyway, Popeye's almost done. It should be done right for next weekend, which is the weekend of Thanksgiving. And we'll put her up for 2 weeks. And through comments, use the comment generator. We'll make a video of it all done, start the contest, the giveaway, and hopefully some lucky person gets it. I could have made this a lot better. It takes a long time to do these things, to find details. So anyway, I'm doing the best I can with it. We'll see what happens. So far, I think it looks pretty damn good. My wife likes it. She doesn't want me to give it away, but I'm giving it away. Anyway, I got details in the spokes and stuff. Just generalized thing. I know it's supposed to be a cartoon, but sometimes I try to put too many details in just a cartoon. Anyway, thanks guys. Thanks for watching till the end. And good luck to whoever's going to win this. So there'll be a video of this just being completely done, and a video that we will be doing the contest, and the contest will be out of comments. That's all you got to do is be like, subscribe, and make a comment on a particular video of this being done. You'll know when it is. And then I'll use the comment picker from YouTube on the internet. Anyway, have a blessed Sunday, and God bless you.